What's up, YouTube? Alright, so yesterday I was telling you guys that I was going to do a thing. Um, Basically, I switched out the 144 spoke Dayton's for some just some pink wheels. It came on the other bike that I just built. I switched out uh, that for a longer one. I had ordered it with my other forks for the Catiota, but it was a slammer uh, forks, for the slammer thing where you can adjust it up and down. And I didn't know the slammer didn't come with it, and the slammer's like $200. So I was just like, nah. So okay, I did that. But basically, why I was calling it a circus bike yesterday is because look, the pedals are on the ground. The fender is almost touching the ground. Look how far the forks sit back, almost on the tank. Can't even turn it. And that's what I kind of like specialize on, fixing up my bikes and for them to be rideable. You can get on them and just cruise. That's what it is, a beach cruiser. But I'm just trying something new because I did have Dayton's on this one and this bike. I ride this one, the Chief. I ride it quite a bit, but I just like the color combo with the black, red, gold, and chrome. Sick. Yeah, so basically I was gonna sell it, but I don't know, this summer I'm gonna see if they having any shows around here or anything. And I'm gonna take all my bikes, set up a whole display of all of them. And I'll set this one up, I'll take it. It just ain't rideable. So I'm gonna probably I don't know, paint some more stuff on it and change up some things. Not sure yet. But if you look, I had to take the rubber piece out of the screw so I could get it to screw in there. I might just shave it down a little bit so it'll bolt in. But it kind of looks alright like that. I think it looked pretty good with those wheels on it. And that is just so crazy because, like I said yesterday, these wheels came on the black bike that I just fixed up. And it's got like almost the same pearls and everything in it. It might be a tad darker, but I mean, look, from that to that, looks the same to me. But this is it's an authentic Schwinn. It's a 1967. So you can see the Schwinn plate right there, bam. And this hole right here is for a horn. I found some on eBay, but they were kind of expensive. And I really didn't want to spend that kind of money on a little horn for a bike that I don't really ride. Then I thought about getting somebody to punch louvers in here and then put some speakers in there and have music. And most people would say, would that work? Yeah, it'll work because I've seen it done. It's turning out to be a nice day today. It was on a tad chilly side, but now it's pretty warm. I think I'm gonna probably take a ride today. Just messing with the old bikes again. It's the weekend, Sunday. Back to work next week, which is tomorrow. So just wanted to get some stuff in about the bikes and show what I was talking about yesterday. And I was hoping Jesse from Battleborn and make my decals and stuff would hit me today, so I could show you guys the t-shirts and stuff I got. And I got some more decals too coming. So, and if it's anybody out there like that want one of the Outcast decals or t-shirt, once I unveil them and stuff, I'll let you know how you can probably get one from me. But it's like not definite. I'm not like for sale. They're not for sale. I'm not selling them. But if once I get it made, once I get them, if you want to get one made, I can get one made for you. So man, yeah, it looks pretty good. Won't be riding her, but it'll be just for looks display. And the thing about this bike, like once I took the Daytons off of it, man, them Daytons must be pretty heavy. Because this bike was kind of heavy when I had the Daytons on it, but then when I took the Daytons off, it's like super, super light. Like I can just pick it up and just carry it around, walk around with it. Like it's super light. And which this one ain't, because that's the old Schwann. But anyway, yeah, I'm just waiting on Jesse from Battleborn to hit me up for my stickers. So I'm just gonna sit around today and just kind of wait and mess with these bikes a little bit. Finish cleaning up the garage. And if he hit me today with my shirts and stuff, I'll make another video. Okay, so until then.